Now, your next topic is racemization. So, what is racemization? Anyone? पढ़िया होया तुसी पहला भी? What is racemization?
फिर ऑप्टिकली एक्टिव कंपाउंड ऑप्टिकली इनएक्टिव च कन्वर्ट करना ਹੁੰਦਾ है।
Racemization is a process by which racemic modification can be prepared, or racemic modification can be formed by starting from either of pure enantiomers. Either of pure enantiomers. What is racemic modification? We already seen racemic modification is a equimolar mixture of two enantiomers. Okay, and how racemic modification can be formed? It can be formed or it can be prepared by process called racemization by starting from either of the pure enantiomers. That means you start from pure enantiomer and convert it into a racemic modification. So you have one pure enantiomer, suppose plus or minus or R or S, which is a one pure enantiomer. That means to begin with, you was having 100% either plus or minus, or 100% either R or S. Then you do some reaction by some chemical reaction and you have converted this pure enantiomer, this one single pure enantiomer, into racemic modification. That means you have converted this into 50% plus and 50% minus, or R or S. Okay. So you get this equimolar mixture of R and S, and that's your racemic modification. So what is racemization? Racemization is a process by which racemic modification can be formed or it can be prepared by starting from either of the pure enantiomer. That means you start from pure enantiomer and end up its enantiomeric mixture. So its definition is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what will be the basic principle behind this racemization? How you can convert one enantiomer, okay, one enantiomer, how you can convert this one enantiomer into its enantiomeric mixture, equimolar enantiomeric mixture? How you can do that? You have one single pure enantiomer, suppose you have a lactic acid, and you will do some reaction over it and you have to convert it into its mixture, equimolar mixture. So how you will do it?
सर कार्बोकेटाइन फॉर्म करके
Carbocation formed karke.
अगर
So basically thing will be you have to break bond. In all cases what you have to do is you have to break bond over chiral carbon. Okay, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਵੀ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਹੈ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਇਨੈਂਸ਼ੀਓਮਰ ਨੂੰ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਇਨੈਂਸ਼ੀਓਮਰ ਚ ਉਦੋਂ ਹੀ ਕਨਵਰਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਹੈਵ ਟੂ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਾਇਰਲ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਦੇ ਬੌਂਡ ਉੱਪਰ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਕਰੀਏ. So you have to break bond over chiral carbon and then you have to reattach itself from the opposite side in such a way that 50% original enantiomer is formed and 50% another enantiomer is formed. That means you also need some planar intermediate. Okay, only then reaction on both sides can take place equally. So in all of these cases, you have to break bond over chiral carbon. You will get some planar intermediate, and then this planar intermediate will again attacked by attacking reagent to give rise to a 2 enantiomers in equal amount. So this point is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so your racemization, it can take place either by thermal method, that is called thermal racemization. It can take place either in presence of base or anionic racemization. It can take place via formation of carbocation as the intermediate, and it's called cationic racemization, or it can take place via formation of free radical intermediate, and in that case it is called free radical racemization. Okay, so in the next lecture, we will discuss what is this thermal racemization, anionic racemization, cationic racemization, and free radical racemization.